Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out some E.L.F. mint products. They have such a cute, refreshing looking line, and they have several mint products. I got a brush set, a cooling face primer, and this whipped face mask. Each of these was only $8 a piece. I also got these two only $4 a piece. For the Mint Melt eyeshadow palette, I got the shade Mint to Be. Oh, super cute. They have another one that has more browns in it, and I was like, no, I want to go with like full on minty. And then I also got this Mint Melt plumping lip gloss in the shade Mint Sprinkle. So a couple more products. The makeup products only $4 a piece. And I'm also going to be testing out this E.L.F. Camo CC cream. Somebody told me that they bought it and they really loved it. And you guys know the E.L.F. hydrating camo concealer. Mine's almost completely empty and my Walmart was out, so I have to get some. Next time I can pick some up. I'm definitely going to pick up more. I'm also going to use my E.L.F. sponge. So lots of E.L.F. products today. That's what I'm going to focus on. So first up, I want to try out this mask. So it's the whipped face mask. I can't read it. It says, minty whipped moisturizing mask is meant for you. Packed with skin loving ingredients such as willow herb and vitamin E, it will leave your skin feeling soft, soothed, and moisturized. I need that. It's a 10 to 15 minute mask. So let's put some of this on. Ooh, and it is a mint color. Yes. Ooh, it smells mint, but kind of sweet too. Funny enough, I love this collection and I love the color mint, but like actual mint food, drinks, even like just plain up peppermints, I don't like. Ooh, mint chocolate chip, I cannot. I'm a weird one when it comes to that. I'm not going to do a lot around my brows because I don't want to screw it up. Alright, I'm gonna level with y'all. I decided to pause for a second and do like a reel for Instagram, and those, take a little longer than you always think they're gonna take, so I need to actually take this mask off. My plan was to have the mask on while I did my eyeshadow, so I'm just using my makeup eraser to take this off, and the whole time I've had this on, it has not felt uncomfortable. Like there's no tingling or anything. Like it feels kind of fresh on my skin, but kind of just like you got a burst of cool air. No worries with that. If you're like, ooh, I don't want a tingly mask, I don't think you have anything to worry about with this one. Feels really, really nice. I'm actually surprised that it is a more hydrating mask, because when you think minty, you're thinking like, okay, it's cooling, oil absorbing, pore perfecting, something like that, but I like this one a lot. And if you like face masks, like cream face masks, and you don't want to spend a lot, I mean, this is a no-brainer. So I definitely recommend it. I like it. So I could actually go ahead and go in with primer and foundation, but I actually want to see how these shadows perform. So I think I'm gonna wait and do foundation afterwards. Oh, also I want to show you guys, I actually got this little pencil cup from them, and it's got E.L.F. on it, but it's actually in white. You can barely see it, and it's a little split cup. So I actually got this to put brushes in because all of my brush holders are like overflowing. So I'm going to put some extra brushes in that, and I can put the cute mint brush set. So this one, it says 3 brushes, an all over shadow, eye contour brush, and a blending brush. So we're going to try these out as well. So here are the brushes up close. They are cute. I'm going to prime my eyelid with my P. Louise base. Alright, so not a lot of color option, but that's perfect for me. So I'm just going to start out with the matte mint shade right here, a little higher than the crease. And I'm just going to do a lot of packing and just start to get the shape that I want. I'm going to take it pretty much up to the brow and the front of my eyeshadow. That's how I've just been enjoying it lately. Since I kind of like tried that, I really like it. So it kind of starts close to the brow and then fades off. Take that bigger brush, this one is the blending, and just soften that up a little bit. I'm going to take the first brush that I used, just tapping off and getting that darker shade, which looks like a cool green, and we're just going to pack that in the outer and on into the crease. I'm I'm just employing a softer brush over here just to blend more. This one's a Morphe M519. If you're curious. All right, I'm liking how this is looking. So now we just have our 2 shimmer shades. I am going to just lay down a little bit of that base just so the shimmer will stick better. Just doing a little bit of a cut crease, but nothing too serious. I'm gonna keep it a little bit softer. And I usually do this with pretty much any eye look if I'm laying down any type of shimmer or metallics. And I think I'm going to take the greener of the 2. So this one's a little bit more icy. This one definitely has the more mint look to it. So I'm going to take that one and just press that in. I'm going to take this little eye contour brush and see if I can't use it to press this in at the edges. So there is the eyes. As far as I can tell, everything looks pretty even, but it's a little bit dusty, but honestly for $4, I don't think you can go wrong with this because it actually blended pretty well. I'm not having any major issues. $4, it's $1 a shade, so I'm not mad at it at all. We do have the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. This is also $8, like I said. It's a hydrating vanilla mint scented jelly primer. Ooh, works like glue to grip makeup to ensure it stays put. And it has a cooling sensation, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants. Yes, okay, this is what my skin needs. So here's a little up close of the packaging. Ooh, look at the texture. Yes. It's kind of like the Milk one, if the Milk one was more, like a little bit more runny gel-like. The Milk one has like a thicker, really tacky. This one is definitely tacky, but it just feels a little thinner. I like it. If this does close to what the Milk one does, then I am sold. And they need to make this permanent if that's the case, because this feels great. Next up, the Camo CC Cream. Color correcting, full coverage, natural finish, collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. I'm gonna read a little bit while I start to put it on. Holy shit. Medium to full coverage with a natural finish with SPF. Multitasking foundation provides skincare benefits. I mean, the coverage. It said on the bottle to use a foundation brush, so I was expecting my sponge to really shear it out, but if it oxidizes a little bit, which it probably will, it'll be a little bit dark for me right at this moment, but just a little bit, and I can definitely make it work. Infused with hydrating and youth boosting ingredients known to improve skin texture and tone. It looks like there's 20 shades, which for, you know, like a CC is pretty decent. Although I am seeing that with this amount of coverage, I feel like you would want the color to be pretty good, but I'm sure you could use just less product. I think I pumped twice and maybe that's why, but still, I was just expecting my sponge to, you know, start picking up and soaking up some of the product right away. So I've not pumped any more, but it just keeps going and going. So I'm gonna conceal with my hydrating camo concealer, obviously. And I do like that this is probably going to continue to darken up a little bit. I do have a little line of demarcation, but I'm just kind of seeing how dark it goes. After I do my concealer, I'm going to blend a little bit down the neck. I was just curious though how much it would oxidize or darken, if any, which is only a little bit. Anybody else's nose get itchy like every time you do your makeup? So itchy. Alright, just like magic, we're all put together. Let me tell you that I am like loving my makeup right now. I went in with some of my like normal products, Long Time No Shine setting powder. Used some Micro Smooth Finish everywhere else. Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I used a little Sephora collection contour that I love. I used MAC Hyper Real Glow, this little palette, my highlights. I used this because I decided to pull it out, Love Flush from Too Faced. I haven't used this in forever. It's really cute though. Okay. Oh shit, I didn't finish my contour. Excuse me. I contoured my nose and then went and did something else and then forgot about it. Okay, that'll do. So I really love everything, but we still have gloss. So again, Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss and Mint Sprinkle. I didn't even notice it said plumping, and I'm sure I said the word earlier. She's correct. Ooh. Ooh, she's zingy. I like a little color underneath this. I just decided to put it on by itself. All right, so that is my finished makeup, and I'm really loving everything. I feel like maybe a different lip would look cute and maybe just pop a little bit of this gloss over top, but I'm gonna let it plump up my lips a little bit so you can see it on its own. It's just got like this really mint, and it's coming off a little bit greener, but a little mint green glitter in there, but it's doing some, you know, little light tingle burn, but not bad. It doesn't feel bad at all. So those are all the e.l.f. goodies that I got. I liked everything. The brushes were good. I pretty much almost did the whole eye with these brushes except for like 2. And I forgot. I'm so all over the place. I'm so sorry. I forgot I wanted to do a little bit of this lighter shimmer in my inner corner. Alright, I feel like that collection is a hit. If you like green eyeshadow, go for the palette. The gloss is feeling nice. Everything turned out really well, and I'm also really liking the primer. Between the primer and this Camo CC cream, I think it looks beautiful. I am probably more pleased with my makeup right now than I have been in a long time, especially like my base. And you guys know I just reviewed the Shiseido foundation, and I like the foundation a lot. Are you okay? Are you okay? Did you fall down? Hey, come here. What was that noise out there? Smell my lips? Smell dinky? Do you want to say hi? Is it bright? It's so bright, huh? Let me put you down. Do you see yourself? I don't know, she did something out there and then just ran in here. Okay, so as I was saying, I think this base looks so good. I mean, I'm not surprised. I love the hydrating camo concealer, but this is like looking so pretty. I'm gonna keep wearing this and give you like updates down the road in some of my other videos, but I'll keep you updated because right now it's amazing looking. I don't have an opportunity tonight to wear it for like hours and hours, but I'll definitely be wearing it like over and over. Everything's so good. I have no complaints. Everything went so well, and I wasn't trying to do like a full review. I just wanted to try the products out with you, but honestly everything looks so good. I'm really pleased. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try out these products. I will have them linked below if you want to check them out as well. But let me know what you think. Would you wear like this mint eye look? Do you think it's pretty? I love it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell as well. That is crucial right now. If you want to see my uploads, definitely make sure you're doing that. That's it for now. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.